subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is all set to launch its new affordable smartphone under M series, which will likely include Galaxy M11, M21, M31 and M41. Recently, the specifications of Galaxy M31 smartphone were leaked online by 91 Mobiles. According to the leaks, the Galaxy M31 will support a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U display with a traditional water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. And unfortunately, the front camera details were not known at the moment. The phone is said to come powered by Exynos 9611 chipset paired with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. The device will pack in two configurations, 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage. And it will also support dedicated microSD card slot for storage expansion. As per the camera, the Galaxy M31 is reported to have L-shaped quad camera setup on the rear, which will include a 64MP Samsung GW1 primary camera accompanied by an ultra-wide-angle lens plus macro lens and a depth sensor. On the software front, the handset is set to run on latest Android 10 based on Samsung's One UI 2.0. And it will come equipped by 6000 mAh battery similar to last year's launched Galaxy M30s smartphone. Now talking about the pricing and release date. The Samsung has teased to launch Galaxy M31 in India soon, but haven't mentioned the launch date. Depending upon the leak specs, we can expect the smartphone to price around 15,000 in India. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.